I'm gonna break down 5 essential upgrades for the Ford Bronco. Plus, I'm gonna tell you about another must-have accessory for off-roading and how to upgrade it. These 5 upgrades will give you better fuel economy, give you easier cargo access, help you navigate changing terrains, make it easier to see in the dark, and help you survive the trail. One of the worst features on the Ford Bronco is the horrible interior lighting. Upgrading your Ford Bronco's interior lighting can significantly enhance visibility and comfort, especially during off-road adventures or nighttime driving. Stock interior lights on the Bronco are extremely dim, making it difficult to see controls, maps, or gear inside the cabin when it's dark. You can illuminate the interior more effectively by installing brighter LED lights or customizable lighting solutions. This is particularly useful when you're on the trails after dusk, organizing camping equipment, or just want better visibility for you and your passengers. Interior lighting upgrades also add a layer of personalization and style to your Bronco. Additionally, having well-placed lights in areas like the cargo area can make accessing and using these spaces at night so much easier, contributing to a more convenient and enjoyable off-road experience. Interior lighting isn't the only lighting upgrade though. When it comes to off-roading, exterior lighting is crucial. Stock headlights may not provide enough illumination when you're navigating dark, unpaved trails or difficult terrain. These upgrades will improve your visibility, helping you spot obstacles, uneven ground, or wildlife much sooner. Additionally, exterior lighting upgrades can give your Bronco a rugged, aggressive look that matches its off-road capabilities. Whether you're adding bumper indicators or trail markers, these enhancements not only improve function, but also make your Bronco stand out. And having the right lighting can even boost your confidence to explore more challenging trails at any time of day or night, knowing that your vehicle is equipped to handle low light conditions with ease. One of the best upgrades that you can ever make to your Ford Bronco is adding an onboard air compressor so that you're ready for terrain changes at any time. An onboard air compressor is an excellent modification for your Ford Bronco, particularly for off-road enthusiasts who frequently tackle rough terrain. One of its primary benefits is the ability to quickly and easily adjust tire pressure while on the go. Lowering tire pressure improves traction on off-road terrain. However, once you're back on hard pavement, you'll need to reinflate your tires for optimal performance and safety. An onboard air compressor like the IAG tailgate air compressor system allows you to do this effortlessly without needing to find a gas station or carry a bulky external compressor. This convenience ensures that you're always prepared for changing terrain, making your off-road experience smoother and more adaptable. In addition to tire inflation, an onboard air compressor can be a versatile tool for various other needs. The IAG tailgate air compressor system, for example, is compact, seamlessly integrated into your Bronco's tailgate, saving space while offering functionality. This level of utility makes it a must-have for overland trips or weekend adventures, where having access to air on demand adds a layer of self-sufficiency and convenience. If you're enjoying this video, before I tell you about the next upgrade, which is one of my favorites, subscribe to the channel. Now, the handle I just pulled was for the Easy Lift and Easy Pull upgrade. The Easy Lift is a must-have upgrade for Bronco owners looking to make the soft top operation significantly easier. This system uses gas struts to greatly reduce the effort required to raise and lower the soft top. Whether you're out on the trails or just transitioning from open air to covered driving in your daily routine, this assist system adds a level of convenience and efficiency that the standard setup lacks. It's especially useful for those who frequently adjust their top, making the process smoother and faster, while also preventing wear and tear on the factory components over time. Now to even take this one step further, and that's where the handle comes in. Opening and closing the rear hatch on the soft top can be difficult, as we've already established. It requires both hands to operate the levers and lacks handles for easy closure. The IAG Easy Pull, when combined with the Easy Lift, solves this issue with a single point release mechanism, allowing you to open the hatch effortlessly with one hand. It also features durable grab handles for easy closure. This upgrade significantly improves the ease of loading and unloading cargo, making your Bronco more functional and convenient to use. This upgrade can lead to better fuel economy. It's also an upgrade that is kind of a secret in the Bronco community. Once you add this, your engine will perform better, and it can even give it longer life. The air oil separator is a valuable upgrade for the Ford Bronco, offering numerous benefits for engine health, reliability, and performance. The air oil separator enhances the existing positive crankcase ventilation system, which is designed to vent gases from the crankcase. From the factory, the PCV system allows oil to enter the intake system. The AOS addresses this issue by effectively separating oil particles from the PCV system's airflow, preventing them from contaminating the intake track and causing potential damage. The separated oil is collected in an aluminum canister with a unique baffle design that promotes effective separation. The AOS features a heating system that reduces condensation buildup, preventing the formation of sludge. The AOS eliminates the need for regular draining, making it maintenance-free, unlike traditional catch cans that require draining. This design ensures a clean and efficient engine, leading to improved performance, fuel economy, and extended engine life. A winch is one of the most useful upgrades that you can add to your Ford Bronco, especially if you like to challenge yourself off-road. When you're out on rugged trails, a winch can be a lifesaver, helping to free your vehicle. It allows you to recover your Bronco on your own without needing help from others, which is a huge benefit when you're far away from civilization. Without a winch, you would need another vehicle to pull you out or face a long, tough walk to get help. But with a winch mounted on your Bronco, you can pull yourself out by attaching the cable to a solid anchor point like a tree or a large rock and using the winch motor to help free the vehicle. On top of the winch, you will need a winch mount, like the IG heavy duty winch mount, which raises the winch higher, brings it closer than the factory mount. It also easily lets you relocate the front camera. And with these essential upgrades to your Ford Bronco, you will be better equipped to drive on and off the trail.